Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the topic arithmetic progression, let's see what exactly is given in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that a contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. Rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution. So guys, as per the question, it is given that a contract on construction of job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows, like rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. That means rupees 50 is going to be our common difference. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. So it looks like we got the means like n is 30. So let's see what exactly we have and how we are going to proceed. Now let me do one thing, like let us first put the data in a tabular form. So first, second, third, and I will write 30th because altogether it has asked us till 30th day because the contract got delayed till 30th day, let's say. Now the first info is like we have 200 and penalty keeps on increasing each day by 50. So second data is 50 to 50. Third data is 300 because if I add 50 to 50 it becomes 300, and 30th data we don't know, we need to find out. And now let me make it as A1, A2, A3 and A30th. So with this data in hand, let's see how we are going to proceed and find out what is being asked in the question. Now guys, with this data in hand, don't you feel that this question is easy? So I feel this question is super easy, and as per the question it has asked us like how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. That means we need to find out the sum starting from delay from the first day till 30th day. So our main objective is to find out the sum of money that the contractor has paid if he has delayed from first day till 30th day. That means S30 is equal to how much we are going to find out. Now as I told you, this penalty keeps on increasing by 50, therefore our D value is 50 here, or in other words also if you see like A2 minus A1, that means 250 minus 200, we are getting 50. So up to here it is pretty clear. Now what we are going to do, and we know that here n value is 30. Okay, now let us put the formula like an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 30, so I can replace a30 is equal to a1 plus 30 minus 1 into d. Now a30 we don't know, actually we are going to find out the value of a30 first. A30 is equal to a1. A1 is 200 plus 29 into 50. Okay, because d value is 50. Or I can write a30 is equal to 200 plus 29 into 50. 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 11 12 13 14, 1450. Here we got 1650. So we are able to find out the value of A30 is 1650. Now with this value in hand, we can easily find out the value of S30. So let's see. Now what I am going to do, I can write 2Sn is equal to n into A1 plus AN. Here the N value is 30. So I can write 2S30 is equal to 30 into A1 is 200, and AN, we got the value of AN is 1650 plus 1650. Okay. Or I can write 2S30 is equal to 30 into 1850, or I can write S30 is equal to 30 into 1850 divided by 2, or I can write S30 is equal to 30 into 925, because 1850 divided by 2 we are getting 925, or I can write S30 is equal to 925 into 30 will become 27,750, because 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 6 7, 3 9s are 27. So that's all guys. We are able to find out the penalty value that the contractor is going to pay as he has delayed the work by 30 days. So this value came to be 27,750. Hope guys you understood this calculation. This calculation is super easy. Once you understand the question, then the calculation will become very easy for you. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.